Listen, are you tired of being blocked or let's say restricted from certain websites or being able to create an account all simply because you're in a different region of the world? Well, today, I want you guys to understand we have an awesome platform. Not only does it fix this issue, but you can actually say use multiple accounts wherever you're trying to search. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, as stated, welcome back to the channel, you guys. I would like to introduce you to none other what is known as GoLogin. All right, and you guys are probably thinking, what is important about this? Well, literally, guys, you have an opportunity to bypass geo-restrictions and you can even access crypto platforms worldwide. As stated, you know, there's those issues where you're trying to get onto a platform, a website, and you're restricted, you're banned, all this stuff, right? And it's simply just because you're in another location in the world. Crazy. But anyways, I stated Geo-Login definitely it fixes this, okay? So you guys, it's perfect. We're talking about for many DeFi platforms. Not only that, exchanges. We're talking about crypto services that are restricted in certain regions, as stated, limiting traders access to valuable resources and tools. Not only that, but tokens and coins. There's been a lot that I wanted to buy that I couldn't buy because I was restricted, which is no fun at all. All right. So if we go ahead and just kind of dive down into this, you guys can see right here, I mean, perfect example of what to expect, but technically GoLogin allows you to bypass regional blocks by masking your real location and making it appear as though you're actually browsing, say, from a different country. All right. This way you can actually access exchanges, DeFi platforms, and crypto services that are otherwise unavailable in your area. All right. And you guys will see it right here. You can actually manage all of your accounts safely from one single device. That's actually pretty unique compared to any other service that I've actually used. And I want you guys to understand that. Okay. If we just go ahead and just kind of take a look here, I mean, you guys are going to see, I mean, pretty important, right? Pretty important that you guys know exactly what's happening here, right? So if we just kind of scroll down, you can see right here, no bans or suspicious logins. That happens all the time, right? That access accounts from any location. And then we even have share accounts easily with any team member, okay? So basically it creates a unique digital identity for each account, which is awesome, right? It's to protect your accounts. I mean, basically you need the website to see you as a regular user, but a different one using a different device, location software, and other parameters known as a fingerprint. So you guys can see that right there. Okay. So it's pretty cool how they do this. And you guys can see right here, I mean, like a regular browser, right? Chrome browser with tools for multiple accounts. And you guys can see right here, you can actually try the feature. You can see right here, perfect example of what to expect. Not only that, you can share account access with your team. You can organize accounts with folders, statuses, and notes. They even got 24/7 support, which is good as well. All right. So I want you guys to understand that. Look at this. I like this. Okay. So ideal for managing accounts across all services, right? And that's just the tip of the iceberg. You guys will see right here. I mean, we got a lot of things like built-in proxies, 99.99% historical uptime, rapid 24/7 support, seriously secure, precise profile permission, Android application. I like that. That's very important, especially nowadays. Bulk profile handling, drag and drop interface, performance just like in Chrome. We got mobile fingerprints, something with the Puppeteer integration, and then we even have high performance API. All right. So you guys can see right here, they got a lot of customers, and which is good. And technically, I will tell you guys right now, if you actually just kind of scroll up here to the very top, you'll see right here, we do have use cases. Not only that, we have resources. We'll take a look at a couple of those in a moment. And we have pricing, which we'll talk about last, okay? So I want you guys to understand, if we just kind of continue, you guys will see right here, we got best VPN service providers and sites for 2025. Well, obviously right here, GoLogin. Run multiple accounts. A lot of these you can't, right? I don't even know if they have mine on here. Mine's pretty laggy, okay? So anyways, yeah, it's good to see. All right. So we got platforms, locations, all that stuff. I mean, some of the VPNs are only good for certain places. You know what I mean? And some only offer like what, like a few countries, and that's it, okay, which is not really the greatest. Then after that, you guys will even see over here, we got best proxies. So these are sites and servers, right, to use. Obviously this one, right? So, and same thing with these, right? Some of them are just not good at all these things that they have to offer with GoLogin, okay? And finally, guys, let's talk about pricing. So obviously there's a 7-day trial. You can see right here, try for free. This is awesome, pretty cool. Not only that, you guys can see right there, you need profiles. I mean, you get all this stuff, pretty cool. But I mean, you guys can see right here, try free, try free, try free. They got the 24 a month, 49.99 all the way to 149 a month, right? So you actually get a try for free, and you can, you know, be part of this, okay? So you guys check it out. A lot of benefits here, especially professionals, businesses, and enterprise. But yeah, you guys can see exactly how this works. So if you have any questions, be sure to let me know. Other than that, you guys check it out. Just go right up here to that 7-day trial and click right there. You can sign in, right? You guys can actually see this really quick. You can see how easy and simple this is. We're just going to log in with like this email here. All right, you guys can see right here, continue. And let's see if we can go through this really quick. And it should technically take us to, say, the dashboard. So you guys will see that right here. Which site will you use GoLogin for? Well, you can see all right here. All right, and you guys can actually download this as well. Just go ahead and make that clear. But you guys will see right here, I mean, you're going to be able to choose. All right, you guys can even see the downloads here as well. You can actually click multiple, right? So we can just click one, and you guys can see that right there. There's other as well, okay? You're going to click Save Setup. How did you know about it? Well, obviously, let's just say like a blogger channel or something like that. So that is going to be the download up here, right? Once again, you need to download this and get going. All right, so check it out. Let us know what you think. Big opportunity, guys. And if we go ahead and take a look here, you guys can see exactly how easy this works. We have the GoLogin proxy. We got the type. We got the country. You guys can even see right here that we have multiple profiles. We can literally just open up multiple, you know, different sites. Easy and simple, right? But not only that, we can actually do this on another profile as well. And you guys could see that, right? So literally, if you sign up today, you're going to be able to have 2 free proxies. You heard that correct, you guys. So easy and simple. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, if you will, please let me know, what did you think about this platform? Are you going to try out the 7-day trial? Me personally, I think it's a great opportunity, and I'm definitely the type of person that would use it. All right, I'm sure you are too. So be sure to leave a comment down below, smash up that like button, smash up the subscribe button, and stick around for the next video.